My name is Peter Bronkhorst. I'm the network manager responsible for networks and infrastructure at the University of South Africa. A little bit about University of South Africa is that we are one of the oldest institutions in the country. We just celebrated our 150th birthday. UNISA is one of the biggest open distance learning institutions in not just in South Africa but in Africa as a whole. We currently have about 400,000 students currently enrolled in UNISA, and this is all managed by 6,000 staff across 36 regional infrastructure offices, as well as our 2 campuses based in Pretoria and in Florida. Yeah, it's been a long journey that UNISA has been following, and our digital transformation sounds like a new concept to most people, but traditionally, being an open distance learning institution, many of our services have been online. So that digital transformation has happened already over the last 5-10 years, where we've tried to push our students onto the online platforms. Obviously with COVID, it has been accelerated a little bit, where traditional services that we used to host on campus is now all being pushed to the online platforms. So the entire student walk from the application to the registration, your assignments and then online assessments is all now done online. So the challenges that we did face was obviously aging infrastructure, disparate systems, the legacy systems. Being this old, we have many systems currently in place. So when we looked at the underlying platforms, the networks and the compute environment, we partnered with the Huawei 2 or 3 years ago and said, well, let's lay the foundation for a fast, reliable, secure infrastructure platform that then could allow us to continue and grow this digital transformation that we've been trying to achieve for many years. Obviously with aging infrastructure, legacy systems, the operational maintenance component required so many resources that wasn't very efficient and it wasn't very scalable. These challenges kind of hindered our whole digital transformation over the previously pre-COVID times. So now with the support and partnership with the Huawei, we've been able to accelerate that whole transformation in a much shorter time than we originally anticipated. One of the key requirements for any digital transformation is, like I said, having a robust, scalable, secure infrastructure platform on which to host our digital platforms. When we partnered with Huawei, we did not really understand what the way forward would be. So right from the beginning, the design, the understanding of what our requirement would actually be was sort of a new concept to us at UNISA. And so having skilled, knowledgeable Huawei engineers and partners by our side, making sure that what we rolled out was not going to just deliver a digital transformation solution right now, but allow us to scale over the next 5 to 10 years to enable us to properly achieve all our deliverables. We have, as per any institution, we have long-term strategic goals, and we feel that right now we've been able to do that. Not only that, it's been able to deliver that customer experience that people have come to expect, not just from UNISA but from any service provider. So allowing us to identify problems quickly, having the total network or total digital platform visible to us from a single pane of glass through your management platforms has allowed us to reduce our engineering requirements, allowing us to skill them up to achieve other objectives, smart campus technologies and AI, generative AI solutions, that we can now become a little bit more innovative than what we previously could. So when it comes to the partnership between UNISA and the Huawei, it wasn't just a technology partnership. It was a solutions-based partnership that allowed us to achieve goals that we actually did not envisage when we started, but also to allow us to think way ahead in the future, to become a little bit more innovative in provisioning solutions, whether they be security solutions, infrastructure solutions, AI solutions, or just general collaboration, enabling us to collaborate better with our students. Since we've already partnered, at the infrastructure layer, and that's both on the network side, the 10 gig high performance network side, and on the compute side. Attending conferences like this as opens our eyes up to the future possibilities. So the SD-WAN solutions is something that we're really interested in, as well as the new up-and-coming security platforms. Hosting 400,000 students, it's essential that we not only give them that end-user experience, but also provide them the assurance that we are doing it securely and reliably. So from UNISA's perspective, obviously that partnership is now going to be extended to the security platforms, which weren't necessarily available or part of our strategic objectives at the time. So we're looking forward to that, yes.